So now that we have our onions and our roasted peppers sauteed with the garlic, now you can add your callaloo after you've drained it and add a couple dashes of Worcestershire sauce and then just put it on a slight simmer. You want all of this to come together. Okay, so you already know that vegetables they have a very high water content. So the reason why I say let this simmer is because the water that's going to come from the callaloo, you want to absorb that. And the best way to absorb that is to put it on a decent number. So then that way, as it starts to boil out, simmer and everything, the flavors come more together. I'm not done with my potatoes yet. My callaloo. Oh, I forgot my biscuit.